Yeah. David, always gonna have haters and scammers. That's true. And that's true for all these apps. So you just gotta have safety precautions in place to defend yourself. But let's say if a company did deactivate you, I agree with you shouldn't put your eggs in one basket. I don't agree that doing all these apps is a solution. I think you should really focus on developing another skill set outside of the industry. Uh, I guess I'm not the best example of this, but I already had the skill set of video editing for clients. So I still edit videos to this day and get paid between I want to say between $100 and like $300 to $400 just for editing clients' videos. These are fairly affluent people. That's a skill set that I can utilize to make money, and it's separate from these apps. I would encourage you to develop a skill set that you can freelance and make money off of. That should be your backup plan. I wouldn't have a backup plan being another app. I categorize skill sets as making money. So when you're driving, you are driving around food to people. The skill set you're using is driving and using technology. Okay, important skill set. But if you just switch to another app, you're basically using the same skill set. Instead, you want to develop another skill set like editing videos for clients, or I don't know, making money on YouTube, or designing t-shirts, or selling stuff on eBay, or selling in general. You see how you're developing a new skill set? It's completely separate from the industry in general. Because let's say if this AB5 thing that's going on in California, as far as the employees and all that stuff, let's say other states start adopting it. Let's say your state starts adopting it. Then this whole industry, as you see it, can change for the negative, and it might not be something you're on board with. The true backup plan in that scenario would be a skill set separate from the industry.